Now that we did another video about useless careers, useless courses which are being offered in our universities, it would be fair for us to also discuss the best courses for you to take, or career paths, because I know most young people are not able to decide which path should they take, because they also lack guidance, the same way we used to lack guidance, and we ended up doing useless courses. And we should not allow our young people to also get into that trap. So that is why I decided to do this a series of videos about courses which are useless and the ones which are useful, because the main agenda is to help our young people get into the right places. I know not everyone can get there, but at least we want to ensure that most young people are in the right places. Otherwise, the world is nowadays is a digital village, so everyone should be doing the courses which are good for the world, not just for your country, not just for Kenya, not just for Tanzania, not just for Nigeria, Ghana. Should be courses you are doing to be ready and ripe for the world. Otherwise, I just want to tell you, just if you are here watching this video, just make sure that you like it before we continue, because that helps the YouTube algorithm to push us further. Right, the first one which I wanted to talk about is a course called cybersecurity. Cybersecurity is a very good career path, or a course which you can take, and it will help you get into that field of computer science. But you can start by doing short courses and certifications through places like Coursera, edX, maybe Code Academy. Those are places you can do short courses and certifications in cybersecurity. And this is the reason as to why I usually vouch for cybersecurity. This is a course which, as much as the internet is not going anywhere, many organizations and big corporations will be faced by challenges related to their cybersecurity, security related to their data, related to how they communicate. And those jobs will never run away from us. They'll never dry out. Those are jobs which, again, are also almost recession proof. And utapata those people kabisa watakuwa na job all the time. The second one, I just want to keep on touching. The second one is social media management. And this is because each and every organization, each and every serious organization is having what we call social media presence. And it's not like those are jobs which are going to fade away, because the sphere is so wide, the spectrum is so wide, and so many even influencers, even politicians, all these famous people, they need people to manage their social media accounts. And those are jobs you can do remotely, and you just need to get a few skills here and there on how to manage social media accounts. And also you can couple that with a virtual assistant course, and those are courses you can do in different places online, like let's say you can go to places like Coursera, like also YouTube, also edX, and learn how to manage social media accounts. The other one, the third one now is a virtual reality. Virtual reality is not going anywhere, and for those people who don't know what virtual reality deals with, if you go to these some of these gaming places, you'll find people wearing VR equipment, virtual reality equipment, and they are playing games like they're also interacting with people in other countries. So as a young person in any part of the world, especially Africa, make sure that you also do some virtual reality. Be conversant with it, because many companies which are good companies, they are looking for people who are proficient in virtual reality and the courses which are related to it. And those are short courses you can do, short courses and certifications you can do online in those places I've mentioned, including even Allison, Code Academy, YouTube, Coursera, and also edX. You can name the few, the ones you know, places where people can do courses related to virtual reality. The other career path, most of these career paths we are mentioning are not the conventional careers whereby you go to work from 9 to 5 or 8 to 4. These are careers which you can work remotely, and you might not even need to have what we call a university degree, but basically the certifications which people even can do through Google. Google has its own set of classes. We also have Microsoft has its own set of courses and certifications which you can get, even the one for Amazon. Those are certifications you can get and be a good fit for the modern job market. The other one is user interface designers. Those are what we call UX and UI designers. Those are people who design the front ends of these games and the applications you see. Those are people who will not be pushed out of the job market or the economy because as much as the internet is with us, those are jobs which, looking even to the future, will be available for you even if we get into recession, as opposed to many other jobs which rely on a conventional degree or certificate. But hii ukiwa nayo utajipata you are doing well. The other thing I wanted to talk about is someone who has a full stack development. If you are a young person, you can also pursue a full stack dev. It's called full stack development, and go to Google and look for those jobs. Those jobs, there are so many, and courses. It's just you need. I'm trying to see whether I can give you an example of a course which you can be able to. Let me see. I'm about to. Yeah, it's here. I'm trying to bring Coursera on the screen to show you the different courses they have. Yes, this is Coursera. I hope you're able to see it. This is somewhere you can search for courses related to whatever you want to do, be it data science, be it UX and UI designer, game development, social media management, cybersecurity. Just come here to the search tab and write what you want to study. And as you can see, we already have Google Analytics, Google Project Management, Google Digital Marketing, e-commerce. And these are jobs, they are courses you can take, some of them free, most of them are basically free. And if they are paid, it's just a small fee. There are also courses related to machine learning, as you can see here. Those are things, these things are so intermarried, they're so interconnected and intertwined. You just need to get yourself one and run with it. Otherwise, let's not be left behind, because these are avenues where we can send our young people to get into, as opposed to us just waiting for manna from heaven. So try to also do something related to blockchain. And if you go to Coursera, let me see whether I can bring Coursera. I'm looking for Coursera. If you go to Coursera, you can also search for blockchain. Just come here and search blockchain. Let me see. Blockchain, yes, the course is there. And I hope, yeah, there's a course called blockchain specializations. It goes for, it's free, it's a free course, and it starts January 24, 2023. And you can go ahead and do it, whichever course you want. Let me enlarge the screen for you. Let me enlarge the screen for you so that, yes, that way. So I'm trying to search the different courses. Just a moment. Let me search for you UX and the UI design. Yeah, it's here. Let me see the number of courses we see for you user interface design. Good. We are seeing now we have some courses. Sorry for that. Google user design. I think these are free courses. Foundations of user design experience. UI. The courses, there are so many. Just go and do some of these, and if possible, get the certification, and you'll be in your way into bettering your life and your future. So The other course you can take and be ready for the job market is a blockchain. Blockchain, I've already told you about it, is basically what most people refer to as Bitcoin, but blockchain is so many things. And the overall umbrella name is a blockchain technology. Go and learn about that through maybe the free courses or the paid ones. The other one I wanted to talk about today is robotics. Robotics is something our young people can get into. Because I know most of you don't know how to search, just go to, for example, let's see whether we can get robotics here. Robotics. Yes, it's already populating my screen. The search results are there, and if you check Coursera, utapata so many courses which are available for robotics. If you want to get into robotics, you can do modern robotics course, foundations of robot motion, reinforcement learning, mathematics for machine learning, and the robotics is all about machine learning. So you need to have some basic knowledge of machine learning. Mostly it uses Python programming language, and this is something you can get yourself in without even going through the university degree way. You can get these courses. Even if you are a person who has already done other courses, you can see like IBM is a very big company, is offering this course related to artificial intelligence. Go ahead and get these certifications, because if you want to get into remote jobs, most of these remote careers, these are things for sure you'll need to have for the next 1 year and beyond to be competitive. The last one is virtual reality. Virtual reality is, I've already told you what it is, and that is something you also need to have, and you can just come to Coursera, for example, and search virtual reality. Yes, it's already here. It's already here, virtual reality specialization. It's a free course, and you can do it online, and for sure you'll be in your way into getting yourself primed for the job market. Otherwise, thank you very much for watching. You can watch another video here or here. I'll attach them. Also, make sure that you comment and tell us what you want to do in your life. It doesn't basically. It is not a must for you to go to university, the conventional university. You can enroll yourself to these short courses, and for sure you'll be at an advantage compared to other people. Thank you very much, and have a good time. Thank you.